uKelly Khumalo lo. uKelly Khumalo ngiscreenshotela uKelly Khumalo. uKelly Khumalo la bekacula igospel. Kunengoma nje beka-performa beka stage. Ngifuna ukwenza nje example ngayo uKelly Khumalo. uKelly Khumalo uke wawa wawa. Wabuyela kubo eSprayview. Ngiyazi khabo uKelly Khumalo uke wabuyela kubo eSprayview. Hawu nini wadonsa kanzima nini wakhuphuka bese sekabalele phezulu. Okay. Ngoba ngisi-celebrity mangikutshela something yini naninamanga yini nanomona yini khulunyiswa ipoverty anazi next. And let me tell you something. Ukungabi i-celebrity kwami kungenze ukuthi ngi-understand ukuthi impilo ihamba ngayiphi indlela. Yabona, there's a reason why ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-industry yomusic. Industry yomusic i-demonic phethwe amademoni. Laphana kambi idemoni ele-top kabuhlungu. Okay, sharp. Asikho lapho. Into engifuna ukuyichaza la ukuthi beka-performa beka-stage. uNkulunkulu ucula igospel. Yabona ungadonya umuntu ucula igospel. Kulungile baba. Omunye wacula Jesu kiyena. Ngathula ngayihlekela ke mina ngizokuhleka mina ukuthi hey lo ukhonze inkosi. Uyazi ukuthi banibhayizisa umuntu just because ufucula igospel, then you will think ukuthi that person ingane umntana kaNkulunkulu. Hayi uyikholwa lo uyasibusisa. Isibusiso ositholayo kumuntu odemonic okhuluma ngoNkulunkulu ile sokuthi ukufaka idemon wena ngokwakho uba possessed, awuboni next ukuthi kwenzakalani. Iyacima uzube emotional makacula umuntu wakhona. Awazi ukuthi leyo muntu loyo u-too demonic, uyimember yama-satanist. Unemendlela nina yazi ngizama ukunichazela. The problem and understanding ngibone ngazuthi sikhulunyiswa indlala. Abantu ba-too demonic. I-fame i-too demonic. Into ehambelana nempande yesono iba too demonic. Jesu kiyena bese bathi hayi urish because of ucula kamnandi. Bayingaka abantu abacula kamnandi abangekho famous abanganamali. Kune sacrifice kumele ukuthi uyithathe ukuze ufike ku certain level yempilo, especially ku music industry lo ngcolile lo demonic onama satanists onama devil worship.
Well, you guys, this guy makes very, very, very serious allegations, I have to say. He speaks about Kelly Khumalo, saying that at some point, Kelly Khumalo's career was once a flop. She was poor to the point where she had to go back to her mother's place back in the township, you guys. And then she says that later, a few years later, after going back there, Kelly Khumalo finally decided to change her genre of music, sing gospel. Basically, there's been like multiple Kelly Khumalo gospel songs, and he says that as soon as Kelly Khumalo came to change genre, her wealth definitely changed too. He warns a lot of people from following these artists, these artists who claims to be gospel artists, speaking about God and Jesus in their songs. He says that most of them are pretty much led by evil spirit. Most of them are demonic, you guys. And I'm guessing he says that Kelly Khumalo too definitely sacrificed. He questioned Kelly Khumalo's wealth, like, the way that she has attained her wealth. People have been making allegations against Kelly Kumalo. There's been a lot of prophets on TikTok who claims to have seen in the spirit that Kelly Kumalo works for the devil. You guys, they've also alleged and accused her of sacrificing using Senzo Meyiwa. I mean, it has been so many years, close to 15 years now, since Senzo Meyiwa was gunned down in that house, Yabukilukuma, Lokofura Sloras back then, whereby there were like a lot of people in the house, but it seems like they don't want to tell the public what basically happened to Senzo Meyiwa. There's been a lot of prophecies whereby it was claimed that Kelly Kumalo might have sacrificed Osensiviwa. Now this guy says that people need to be careful who they worship. They need to stop idolizing these people, these gospel artists, these musicians, because they too have dirty skeletons in their closet. But a lot of them, they have sacrificed to attain the wealth, to attain their lifestyle that they are living. Guys, what do you think about what this man is saying about Kelly Kumalo? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.